Hello everyone, this is Smile Decoder with another video, another place, and today we are at Chittorgarh, the fort where history lies in itself.
चित्तौड़गढ़ का किला मेरे पीछे. Come, let me show you. That's the compound or the border of the killa where I'm standing. This is the entrance. जहाँ चित्तौड़गढ़ किले में आप एंट्री करते हो. And this is the entire city, चित्तौड़गढ़.
Just imagine this entrance once witnessed the warriors and the kings, and today it's witnessing me.
चित्तौड़गढ़ का टिकट घर. पूरे किले की 2 टिकट और एक ऑटो का पार्किंग.
After purchasing ticket in Chittorgarh, this is a must-stop place. Right opposite to ticket counter, you can literally witness the entire city. Very calm vibe. Now I am entering to the fort. Not the original fort of Maharana Pratap, but fort nearby to it. Let's see what's inside. ये हम सबके साथ पक्का होता है कि हम कोई जगह पे जाते हैं और उसका इतिहास हमें पता ही नहीं होता है. तो मेरे साथ में ये सिचुएशन हुई थी बिकॉज ये जो जगह पे मैं चल रही हूँ, द कॉरिडोर विच आई एम वॉकिंग इन, आई डोंट नो द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इट, बट ये इतना पीसफुल था एंड एवरी इंच ऑफ द वॉल शाउट्स द ब्रेवरी कि हाँ, उन्होंने हमारे लिए क्या क्या जंग सहे हैं, क्या क्या जंग लड़ी है. तो या I really liked it. एक तो आई डोंट नो व्हाई जब भी मैं स्टेप्स देखती हूँ, आई एम वेयरिंग अ लॉन्ग स्कर्ट, आई लाइक टू रन. इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में मेरे पास में कैमरा था एक हाथ में, सो आई कुडंट रन द वे आई वांटेड, बट मेरे को अच्छा लगता है. आई फील लाइक सेवरस स्नेप फ्रॉम हैरी पॉटर. हाँ, पूरा एकदम उड़ते हुए जा रहा है स्कर्ट, पूरा फुल मूवी फिल्मी सीन टाइप का. इग्नोर दैट. ये जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं झरोखे, इन झरोखे से आप बाहर देख सकते हैं रोड तरफ कि बाहर क्या चीज है क्या नहीं. वो बहुत ज्यादा अंदर डीप था तो आई कुडंट कवर दैट, बट लेट्स सी. एंड इफ यू गाइस आर थिंकिंग दैट व्हाई आई एम रनिंग हियर, इट्स जस्ट दैट मम्मी ने बुला लिया था saying we need to go to the temple, come soon. So I just came and we entered to this temple. It is the Jain temple. So there are many temples around the fort. This is one of the must visit. Do not skip this at all. Very beautiful, very like I can't even tell how beautiful it is. So please do visit this Jain temple. Let me show you some clips of it. This is also Jain temple. It's just behind the main temple that's there. I can say it's a backyard, and this is the reason I love wearing skirt, twirling, and that's it. Look at me. Ghumar. Let's not get into that. Okay. And now I am going towards Vijay Stamp. Is a superstar of Chittorgarh, built by Maharana Kumbha after the victory. This tower celebrates victory and courage. Each level has carvings and stories. If it would be constructing today, it would be on reels all the time, trust me. Because you now you can realize that how powerful the kingdom was, that they need a tower to celebrate a victory. It was like amazing, very beautiful. One fair warning to everyone, यहाँ पे monkey बहुत हैं. They are very polite, but you know, monkey is a monkey at the end of the day. Then this was the place which stunned me. This is Meera Temple. Same place where Mirabai devoted her life to Lord Krishna. Very peaceful vibe. Later I proceeded with Gomukh Kund, the place where the water flow never stopped, even in any worse situations. This was the main source of water to Chittorgarh.
हम लोग अब जाएंगे गौमुख कुंड, जो यहाँ का प्रसिद्ध कुंड है, चित्तौड़गढ़ किले के अंदर है. सो इफ़ यू हैव टू सी, लेट मी शो यू. नीचे है वो है गौमुख कुंड, और ये पूरा चित्तौड़गढ़ है मेरे पीछे. सो महाराणा प्रताप के उसमें है हम, डायनेस्टी में. तो
Fair warning to everyone. These steps are pretty slippery because यहाँ पानी है, नालगे है. So it's a humble request, when you walk here, please walk
ये
slow.
है यहाँ पे, ये मछलियाँ हैं. यहाँ से आते हैं गौमुख कुंड के लिए. एंड तो भैया वहाँ कैसे पहुँचे पता नहीं, बट ये है गौमुख कुंड, चित्तौड़गढ़ किले के अंदर है ये. तो पहले जो राजा महाराजा थे, विच इज लाइक महाराणा प्रताप एंड राणा जी, यहाँ से लिटरली वहाँ पे जाके आई हूँ मैं अभी. वहाँ से देखें सी द एंटायर सिटी. रानी सा इज मॉडर्नाइज्ड नाउ. चलो लेट्स गो.
अब इतनी वॉकिंग कर ली थी तो थक गई थी, एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू हैव समथिंग टेस्टी एंड यमी. सो ये पानी पूरी गोलगप्पा एक्चुअली जो मिला था मुझे. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू टेस्ट इट फर्स्ट एंड देन प्रोसीड विद द प्लेट. Taste was pretty okay, I can say average, but if you're hungry, I don't think taste matters because your hunger is too much that time. So good, it was really good. Then I saw these horses and the dresses. So what you can do here is, if you want to feel the vibe of being royal and enjoy the royal luxury what Maharana Pratap and the queens lived at their time, you can rent these out and you can click good photographs and everything. This costs around 200 to 300 rupees per head only for the dress, and the horse charges are different, so you can negotiate and get that done. This was pretty funny and proud moment for me because I was just trying to replicate how the queens might used to do in their lifetime, how they used to walk in those skirts and Rajputi dress and everything. So yeah, they had that royalty luxury within them. It was pretty amazing experience in Chittorgarh to understand the royal history of India.
I came here to see all the weapons he used, the dresses he wore, and whatever was related to him. But the problem over here is that the Chittorgarh is completely closed, so you cannot go to Chittorgarh fort. Everything, all the weapons and everything has been shifted to Udaipur, which is in a city palace. So anybody who is willing to come to Chittorgarh, they can see other palaces, like this is the Padmini Palace, then Meera Temple and other places you can definitely visit, Gomukh Kund and all those places you can definitely visit. But when it comes to the fort of Chittorgarh, it's closed.
never liked history subject, but when I visit to these places, I realized how much important is our history to us, because they made us realize the sacrifices that they did were beyond explanation. They literally chose death over surrendering themselves to the enemies. And आज की situation में क्या है? We cry even for smallest sacrifice. That why do we sacrifice? We should learn how to sacrifice and how to live with complete dignity. That is what history teaches us. So this was my experience of Chittorgarh, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel to new updates on the new places I visit. Chalo, see you in the next one.